view from my bedroom window this morning. They've just gone outside. Yes. I know. Yes. Hello. Some of these little babies are still looking for homes, guys, which is a first for me. So I've got quite a few little boys and girls available. That's can you tell them? Tell them. How many have we got left? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Oh, okay. Yes. Who are you? Who are you? Let me see your little colour. It's little yellow and black. Yes. You're still looking for a home, aren't you, darling? Oh, otherwise you're going to have to just stay with me. Hey? Yes. All right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.